Welcome to India Today So South. I'm Sara Fazul. A day ahead of the fifth phase polling of the Lok Sabha elections, that is on May 20th, held across 5 Lok Sabha seats and 35 assembly segments in Odisha, we had the Prime Minister Modi, who stroked controversy, raking up the issue of Ratna Bhandar keys. In an indirect hit at VK Pandian, who is the Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik's close aide and BJD's key election strategist from Tamil Nadu, Modi claimed that people were saying the keys of the Puri Jagannath temple's Ratna Bhandar, that is a treasure trove, had been sent to the southern state. PM Modi was addressing a rally at Angul in his third visit to Odisha in a fortnight when he hit out at BJD and its election strategists indirectly. He said, and we quote,
"When keys of our own houses are not found, we pray to Lord Jagannath and seek his blessings to find the keys. But keys of the Ratna Bhandar have been missing for 6 years," he said. All of Odisha wants to know what about the findings of the inquiry committee report on the missing keys of the Ratna Bhandar. But the BJD has suppressed it. BJD's silence is further deepening people's doubts on the issue, said Modi. At a rally in Cuttack, he said, "People say that the key of Ratna Bhandar has gone to Tamil Nadu. Who sent it to Tamil Nadu? When keys of our
At a rally in Cuttack, he said people say that the keys of the Sri Ratna Bhandar has gone to Tamil Nadu. Who sent it to Tamil Nadu is what the Prime Minister questioned. Apart from Prime Minister Modi targeting the BJD leader and Odisha CM Naveen Patnaik and his presumptive successor VK Pandian over the Ratna Bhandar missing keys controversy, other BJP leaders joined the bandwagon as well. We had the Union Minister Amit Shah during a rally in Cuttack on May 15th assured that the government, that is the BJP government, would make public the report of the Judicial Commission set up to probe the missing keys of Ratna Bhandar and also initiate an investigation into the same after they emerged victorious on June 4th. Following Prime Minister Modi's accusatory remarks targeting Tamil Nadu over the alleged Ratna Bhandar controversy, we had the Chief Minister M.K. Stalin accusing Prime Minister Narendra Modi of inciting hatred for his remarks that the missing keys of Jagannath Temple's Ratna Bhandar in Odisha's Puri were sent to Tamil Nadu. In a statement, we quote,
Prime Minister Modi, while campaigning in Odisha, has said that the lost keys to the treasure room of the famous Jagannath temple are in Tamil Nadu. This is an insult to Puri Jagannath, who is worshipped by crores of people, and an insult to the people of Tamil Nadu, who have good relations with the state of Odisha. Isn't this speech inciting the people of Odisha against Tamil Nadu? Isn't calling people of Tamil Nadu as dishonest an insult to Tamil Nadu? Why does PM have so much hatred towards Tamils? When PM comes to Tamil Nadu, he praises the Tamil language and intellectuals. But when he goes to states like Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, he portrays Tamilians as thieves, as hateful people, and as people against those states. This is the double standards of the PM. It is not good for the country if PM Modi is inciting hatred against people and enmity between states through his hate speeches. Earlier, he blamed Tamilians for insulting people of Uttar Pradesh. I had condemned it, said that it's wrong for a political leader to incite enmity instead of fostering brotherhood. However, Prime Minister Modi has not stopped the habit of denigrating the people of Tamil Nadu. The Prime Minister should stop defaming Tamil Nadu and Tamils for voting.
well, it seems while the BJP set out to trap the BJD and Tamil Nadu in the alleged controversy of Ratna Bhandar, it found itself mired in controversy itself following the controversial remark made by its own BJP leader and Puri's Lok Sabha candidate Sambit Patra. Let's watch what Sambit Patra said.
मोदी को देखा लक्षाधि लक्ष लोक मोदी भक्त जगन्नाथ आम सब हूँ मोदी परिवार जन ये जो अद्भुत दृश्य मु तो मोर इमोशन कंट्रोल कर पारुनी मत लगुच ये सब ओडिया आज गोटे बहुत विशेष दिन मोदी को देखा लक्षाधि लक्ष लोक मोदी भक्त जगन्नाथ आम सब हूँ मोदी परिवार
leader and Puri's Lok Sabha candidate Sambit Patra, while giving bites to a television channel on Monday, that is May 20th, had said that the state's most revered deity, Lord Jagannath, is a devotee of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Mr. Patra, however, later clarified that it was a slip of the tongue. Let's listen in.
मैंने उसका उल्टा कह दिया कि मोदी जी के भक्त महाप्रभु हैं। ऐसा कभी संभव नहीं हो सकता है। कोई व्यक्ति अपने सही हालत में ऐसा कभी कह भी नहीं सकता है कि किसी मनुष्य के भक्त भगवान होंगे। अनजाने में हुए एक स्लिप ऑफ टंग के लिए भी मुझे महाप्रभु जी से क्षमा याचना करनी चाहिए और मैंने निर्णय लिया है कि मैं उसके लिए उपवास भी करूंगा। अनजाने में
The BJD leader and key election strategist of the party, VK Pandian, took this as an opportunity to mock Sambit Patra over his statement. Let's listen in to what he had to say.
And dust, he should eat properly and take care. From heart somebody prays that's done. Because 3 days before his election he should not faint or something. He should take care of himself. Of course he's a doctor, he should be knowing what to do.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a roadshow to the Jagannath Temple in Puri on Monday, that is a day before the elections, and offered prayers. Later, he addressed several rallies in Bhubaneswar and Angul, saying that the Jagannath Temple was not safe under the BJD rule. Jagannath Temple in Puri is not safe under, Naveen Patnaik, he said, and the Ratna Bhandar keys have been missing for the last 6 years. Now, let me tell you that what is this entire controversy that had Prime Minister Narendra Modi hit out at Tamil Nadu and had Stalin responding to him. The Ratna Bhandar missing keys controversy. In April 2018, officials of the temple could not find the keys to the Ratna Bhandar near the Sanctum Sanctorum during a structural inspection mandated by the Odisha High Court. This led to widespread uproar, prompting Chief Minister Patnaik to order a judicial inquiry. The resulting 324-page report, submitted in November 2018, remains unpublished. Interestingly, shortly after the inquiry was initiated, the then Puri district collector mysteriously discovered an envelope labelled duplicate keys of inner Ratna Bhandar, intensifying the controversy surrounding the temple's treasure. Now, this is exactly what has the BJP hit out at the BJD and also at Tamil Nadu for being involved and embroiled with one another in this controversy. Just another election ploy maybe by the BJP to strike at the BJD? Well, the election results on June 4th will uncover a lot more. Keep watching India Today So South for more such stories. I'm Sara Fazil.